We're Dave and Vernie, and we've been living and working and traveling in our Sprinter van for the past 3 years while building it.
We're trying to get our walls finished. So
walls and ceiling panels.
It's quite the undertaking.
Yes.
Especially when you have like custom things that you need to work with.
We've got one panel in test fit. And we've realized in doing that there's a few little modifications that we want to make to dial it in just right. Today we're going to get some of those supplies.
Yeah, so we got to hit Hearts and get some bolts. We got to hit Home Depot to get some wood. And we got to hit AutoZone to get some rib nuts.
A few stops. Plus we need groceries and water.
So let's get it started.
Let's get started. Go spend that money.
Let's go spend that money on some rib nuts.
Rib nuts.
Rib nuts. Okay.
Alright.
Yeah. We'll see. This is M5 rib nut. So we'll use it in that hole there.
Okay.
This is an M6 rib nut. And we'll use it in those holes there.
Standard metric.
One at every other store in Albuquerque except ours and Santa Fe and the whole.
Run around, run around. To the sketch. You know what's funny? The only time I ever want Chick-fil-A is on Sundays.
When it's closed.
When it's closed.
Okay, Home Depot. Time to get some wood. Oh, there's the
Advanced auto part.
I led you to the right place.
Yes.
Well, I don't know what you mean. Appreciate it, man. Hopefully you have the right size.
Yeah, right here. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
5s and M6s.
Yeah. And 10 packs.
10 pack. Well, that's probably good on that. I think I might be jacked on this one.
But they have another store. Maybe they have more. Ask him.
Is there another Advanced Auto Parts in town?
Over by your old work. Kinda.
Yeah, because I think I'll have enough of the M5s by doing this. Where I wouldn't need to buy this one.
Okay.
But I think the M6s, I might need another 6. Do you have any more of these?
Yeah.
Cool.
This is the only one that I showed I have in stock.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Thank
well,
you.
He's got one pack.
I'll take it.
These ones you guys will get for free, pretty much, because they're on like those penny items.
Wow.
That's cool.
Not to sell.
That's awesome. Today's my lucky day.
Awesome.
Thanks,
Thank
man.
you.
Have a good one. Have a good one.
You too. One mission successful. We're getting there.
We were discontinuing and he just gave them to us free. They rang up as a nickel.
Free
He was
$99.
all, here you go.
Yeah, you just get these for free.
Alright, baby. Hey,
Back up. Hi, boo-boo. Second Advanced Auto Parts of the day.
Deuce.
Rib nuts to the rescue.
To the rescue. Rib nuts checked off the list.
And I need the hardware that will attach those to the rib nut. So I need a hardware that will work for the M5 rib nut, and I need a hardware that will work for the M6. And it has to be a pan head that will suck up into the thing so that it sits flush.
Okay.
So the goal here is that this thing sits flush in the end, which means our skin or our ceiling just kind of glides over the top of it.
Nice.
And it just gives me a surface to screw to that is mold and mildew resistant. Les resistants.
Okay, and we
So
still
that's it.
need food. 30 to a 45-minute wait for a pizza. Let's get that air fired up. At Dion's, Home Depot, well, Home Depot, then Dion's, then Ace,
Yeah.
and then Walmart. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go make this quick. And you said you're gonna order Dion's.
Crush dinner. It's crazy to think that we used to own a little slice of this hill right back there. Up on that cutout up there. We used to own 2 acres right there.
Oh,
Yeah.
missing one.
Oh, one.
One, but it's okay.
Alright.
It's okay. It's life.
Very nice.
$42.
$42 for that?
$42 of stainless.
Yeah,
hardware.
oh, okay.
It's
Yeah,
stainless.
that's why.
I know, right? Okay, let me in.
Grocery time. Get you guys some chicken. Hi, bud.
Here with a message for everyone being big miles. Anyway, give it a try.
Fill her up. Does it say $4.99 on the pump? Woo. Alright, it's clearly the next day, which means we did not get back in time last night to do anything. I don't think we got home till like 9 p.m. So it's now lunchtime on Monday.
Yep.
And we're making a little bit of progress here. And getting some custom pieces put up here.
Trying to do a little work on the lunch hour.
Yeah. Gotta squeeze it all in wherever you can get it in. So, but it looks pretty good.
We're getting there. Slowly but surely.
This is what custom work looks like. So you're framing out this whole fan piece so you can...
Well, mostly these. This is the most
Yes.
important part. This is just a secondary thing that has to happen. Like, just to make
Nice.
sure that when I screw it in, it has something to hold to.
Okay. Well, that looks good. It's like nice and flush over here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
It's real nice.
very nice.
Real nice.
I'm working in the garage. Got my little desk set up there, so that way we can keep going
I'm
as we
working
can.
here amongst
There's
the chaos.
his chaos workstation.
So, and that allows me to continue working on the ceiling.
Yeah, so we will get there. Just wanted to pop in and give you guys an update with where we're at and why you didn't see anything last night. Real life.
Real life's happening.
Real life. It's a pretty nice day out. Lots of birds chirping. This is like some of the benefits of working remote. So, put a dog bed down for Willie. And then just got me my little setup right here on a little table. Works well. This time we got it up with the lights in place. Getting all our little holes cut in just right. Holes here where the cabinets will bolt in. Those are done. Just getting it all test fit. Fun stuff.
Okay. I think I can disconnect it and go with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like it. We drill the 4 holes real quick. And then after we pre-drill the holes, then I can screw it up.
That's our next step. We're gonna get our fan put back together.
Yeah.
We'll get that put up there.
Because I fixed the rattle.
Yeah, so this screen over here where the knife's laying right there. Yeah. We had accidentally pushed it up, so it was rattling a little bit when we were driving. It was enough to drive you crazy.
And because they didn't really think that out, that you were going to want to clean these screens. Yeah. Upon me trying to clean the screen, it tore away from the seal.
Yeah.
There's not much of a seal there anyways. It's very tiny.
Kinda.
There's literally hardly anything holding that screen on. And so, yeah,
Maybe.
it's kind of a pain in the butt, but they should have made that different so you could clean it easy. Kind of like the Max Air. That's the one place where Max Air one-upped them. That's it.
Yeah.
Just on how to clean it.
I agree. That's the one thing. It's a lot tougher to clean.
You have to take the whole thing down. You have to take that whole unit down
All
in
the
order
way
to
down.
even attempt to clean this thing, and then you have to be so careful when cleaning it
Yeah.
that you don't put too much pressure on the screen, or you'll separate it from it, and then you gotta super glue it.
He's being a really good boy today. And we're gonna do this. Day 3 of the ceiling panel project. It is lunch on Tuesday, and we got a little bit of the ways done last night, and so you probably just watched a time lapse of us struggle bus it through getting this done, for real. But we had to really kind of trim and finesse this down to get it right to make sure. We got it in, it's working, everything looks good. And we've gone on to test fitting panel number 2 here.
Yeah, it's the custom stuff is challenging. It takes some time to work through it.
It really does.
Patience.
Patience. Lots of patience. But we are slowly getting there. We've got 2 of the 5 panels test fit. And so this project's likely going to take all week. We called the cool place in Albuquerque that looks like they're going to be able to help us get these things, pick a material, and have them outsource the work and let them cover them.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
If that works out. So we'll see. We don't know quite yet. But yeah, that might work out for us.
So with the cost of shipping right now, we're looking at maybe just having somebody do it for us locally. Because shipping is so through the roof right now. The diesel prices, like they're stacking. Just to get the material for our walls, they had a $700-800 price tag on delivery.
For just the shipping.
Just the shipping.
So
that we're thinking about maybe going a different direction.
Yeah, it's led us to look at other possible options here that, hey, if we can even outsource the labor at this point for what we would pay for shipping.
Yeah,
then that just makes
that's
way more sense. That's a no-brainer.
And we get a custom material, something that like is not the same as what everybody else is using out there. Because if we were to go with Camper Van HQ or like Panther RV or any of those guys, all that material is kind of the same run-of-the-mill stuff.
Yeah.
So you're not going to get anything really custom.
No.
So
you're gonna foot a very hefty bill on the shipping, and then a lot of them too. What was the other thing we were up against was minimum orders. So you had to order like
you had to order
a
15 square
amount.
yards, I think.
Something
Yeah,
like that.
most of them wanted that because that's what a full roll is, 15 square yards, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we've just been trying to think about how to do this a little different without busting the budget, and if we can spend the same amount of money or less that would have cost us with the shipping and have someone else do part of it, that just speeds up our timeline. We just wanted to kind of check in and give you guys an update. I know this video is spaced out over like 3 whole days, which was not the intention. But it just shows you like
it's the reality of life for us.
Yeah, so
We work.
yeah, so
We
there
build.
was hunting all the supplies down on
gather.
Sunday, multiple stops. I think we did 2 stops at Home Depot. We wound up going to 2 different Advanced Auto Parts. We did
For the riv nuts.
Yeah, for the riv nuts. And we had AutoZone. Then you have to do like regular grocery shopping. We had to get water. By the time all that was done, the whole day was gone. Then yesterday we did what we could, pepper in what we could during the day, finished the rest up last night, and then today it's just back on the same track. So that's the plan for the week, is to try to get all the way through getting every single panel here test fit.
Yeah.
So we can maybe go down to
House of Covers.
And maybe pick some material and drop off some panels and let them do that. And then ideally we'd pick up finished wrap panels. All we got to do is put back up into place.
Yep. Cuts out half the work for us.
And then the ceiling panels will be done.
And
Then
we
onto
gotta
the
do our
walls.
We're getting there. It's a slow
But
process.
It is. It takes time, and
It does,
just
especially when you, again, live in the van and work from the van. We have the trifecta.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
like happens to us on a daily basis.
Yeah. So like I've been
So-
working out. I think I showed a little bit yesterday. I set my office up in the garage so that this workspace here, the rest of the van's cleaned out so that, you know, if we need to set some stuff down, we can. And that gives me like a dedicated, distraction-free workspace too, while we're in construction mode.
Construction mode.
But
it's good
yeah,
times.
I'll check in, or we'll check in again at the end of the day.
Gotta go back to work.
Yeah, back to
Ding.
work, lunch over.
Lunch over.
Three panels are up.
Yeah, we're getting there.
We got 3 of them temped in. We still have to figure out where we're gonna put the lights. Get those spaced out and measured just right. What do you think, Marley? Feels cool in here. Feels different.
It does.
Breaking up all that black. I think Marley approves. I know I do. I like it. Feels pretty official. Yep, you like it too? Alright, well, that'll be a wrap for this one. I'm gonna keep on trucking. We will see you down the road.